Hello guys, welcome to Jackie's Kitchen, where we make cooking interesting by simplifying the recipes. My name is Jacqueline Njala. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my updates. Today I'll be sharing my liver recipe. I know most of us don't like liver because of how it smells and its metallic taste. As we know, one of the liver functions is blood purification and detoxification, and because of all those toxins, it has a unique smell and taste. But I will show you how to maneuver through and make your liver tasty and tender. So the first step when I'm cooking liver is to remove the membrane that covers the liver. As thin as it is, it makes the liver very tough when cooked and very chewy because it pulls together. So I have to remove the whole of this. You can see it's quite tough, but I'll have this removed. So this is done now. This is all the membrane that was there. You can. So we cut these into small pieces. Then I'll be putting these pieces in about 150 ml of milk. And the reason we put liver in milk is so that it can extract all the toxins. It removes the excess blood, and once you cook your liver, it will not have that metallic taste. I'll let that sit for about 20 minutes while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. I have completely drained the milk from the liver, as you can see. So in my ingredients, I have ginger and garlic paste, chopped coriander, mixed herbs, onion, green pepper, tomato paste, black pepper, and freshly blended tomatoes. So let's start the actual cooking. From now on, we will keep stirring our liver until it's golden brown on both sides. This is how the liver should look like before we add the wet ingredients. We'll now cover this, let it cook until it reduces. Our liver looks done, so we're going to add coriander and switch the heat off and just let it steam. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please subscribe so I can see you in the next video.